You think being a billionaire's kid is the cheat code to life? Let me walk you through 24 hours in those Gucci loafers. By the end, you might trade your normal life for nothing. Promise. 6:30 a.m. You wake up in a 28,000 square foot house in Bel Air. The bed is Italian linen. You've never made it. You don't know how to make a bed. The housekeeper, Maria, has made your bed every morning since you were 3 years old. 7 a.m. Breakfast is plated by a private chef. You ask for cereal. He looks offended. You eat the cereal anyway. Your dad isn't there. He's in Davos, or Dubai, or in a meeting. Breakfast with him since you were 9. Quick stat that's going to disturb you. Psychiatric studies on ultra-wealthy adolescents found that kids in families earning over $1.5 million per year had 3 times the rate of depression, anxiety, and substance abuse compared to inner-city poverty kids. 3 times. Read that again. 8 a.m. Your driver, Carlos, takes you to school. Not a normal school. Lawrenceville Academy. $90,000 a year. Every kid's last name is on a building somewhere. You don't have friends. You have strategic acquaintances. Every conversation feels like a chess move. Are they laughing because you're funny, or because their dad does business with your dad? You'll never know. 12 p.m. Lunch. A girl asks you out. You smile. You wonder if she Googled your net worth before 4th period. She did. Her father told her to. 3 p.m. Tutor, then Mandarin, then squash, then SAT prep. You're 14. You haven't been bored in 9 years. You don't know what boredom feels like. Boredom is where creativity is born. Neuroscientists call it the default mode network. Kids who never get bored never develop original thinking. They become executors, not creators. Your dad is a creator. You will be his executor. He doesn't know that yet. You do. 6 p.m. Therapy. Dr. Levin. You see her twice a week. Why? Because you have everything, and you still feel hollow. And the world tells you that's not allowed. You have it so good. So you bottle it. The hollow grows quietly. 8 p.m. Dad calls from Tokyo. 3 minutes. He asks about your SAT score. He doesn't ask about you. You hang up. You don't cry. You stopped crying at 11 because the housekeeper told the press one time and your dad got mad. The lesson? Vulnerability has a price tag in this family. 10 p.m. You scroll Instagram. You see normal kids eating pizza on a couch with their parents, laughing at a stupid joke. The kid in the video is wearing a Walmart hoodie. He's happier than you have been in 11 years. You'd trade your trust fund for that couch. You actually would. 11 p.m. You inherit the empire one day. 500 employees, 3 foundations, a hospital wing with your last name on it. You'll be powerful, famous, featured in Forbes, and lonelier than the janitor at your school. Here's the brutal truth. Love withheld with schedules hurts as much as love withheld with anger. Your dad didn't ignore you. He outsourced you. To Maria, to Carlos, to Dr. Levin, to the SAT tutor. By the time he turned around, you were already a stranger with his last name. So next time you scroll past a billionaire's kid popping champagne in Mykonos, remember this. The price tag of that life isn't measured in dollars. It's measured in everything they never got. Comment if your normal life suddenly feels like the real wealth. Subscribe, because next, I'm decoding how old money families pass down power through 7 invisible rules. The ones the Vanderbilts forgot.